Welcome to Guardian Capital's weekly wrap for the week ending 17th October. The BSE 500 was up 1.45% for the week and closed at 37,039 points. The top movers for the last 30 days are Goodluck India Limited, which was up 21% and is held through Sage One Small Cap. Usha Martin Limited, which was up 21% and is held through Tata Small Cap. V-Mart Retail Limited was up 20% and is held through Ambit PMS. Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited was up 20% and is held through PPFAs. Moving on to the most important news for the week. Gold and silver prices in India surged to new highs ahead of Diwali, driven by strong festive demand, central bank buying, safe haven flows amid global uncertainty, and currency effects. This sharp rally, marking the largest weekly gain since 2008, highlights concerns about global instability and inflation. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.